Hi, my name is Sam, a chemical engineer. I will be sharing with you amazing stuff about silicone paint, in particular Shield silicone paint and its super strength. But first, let's get some facts out. Shield silicone paint is highly suited to the African weather. We're all in a hurry to deliver on projects, so within 7 to 10 days, we paint instead of waiting for 21 days for the concrete to cure, saving 11 to 14 days. And then the trapped moisture in the concrete wall starts acting up and builds up into vapor, which has to find its way out through the weakest part of the wall. And then, boom, your paint starts peeling. However, Shield silicone paint has been amazingly formulated to easily hold its own against any moisture in the wall through its breathable mechanism. This unique feature of silicone allows water and vapor to pass through the surface without affecting the paint in any way. The silicone in the paint outsmarts moisture because it is breathable. It is worthy to note that before you start painting with Shield silicone paint, you need to prepare the surface by cleaning it of any dust particles and loose matter, after which you apply Shield silicone primer and fill it up nicely with Shield putty filler to create a smooth painting experience. Remember, just one bucket of Shield silicone paint can cover a whopping 200 meter space square. Shield silicone paint repels water, dispels water vapor, is washable, self-cleaning, and durable. Now, you can appreciate how and why Shield silicone paint is super strong and thus able to do what other paints cannot do. Shield silicone paint from Azar Group since 1921.